Knock, 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 knock. It was a dark and stormy night when my Nellie went away. I never shall forget till my dying day. She was just 16, village queen. Prettiest little gal you ever did see. The farming thing since my Nellie went away, the hens all died and the roosters went. Back at the farm, how came to life. 4 below 0. Gosh, what a night.
Come on. Well, you can say, who's that?
Oh, who's that knocking at my door? It's your little old Nell. Don't you know me no more? Where's that actor fella called you honey? Did he send you home because you asked for money? Oh, George. That's me. He's just a big old bum and he lied with Eve. He got more money than the dog has fleas. He left me that night. I was most forlorn. Very nice. Little dummy was born. Is that fair, dummy? It ain't no other. He was spitting image of your dear old mother. Well, you can't stay here with that there child. Crying of it would just drive me wild. Knock, 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 knock. Who's that knocking? Sounds like a mule.
It ain't no mule from St. Louis, Badger. I'm the constable. Now, what goes on here, come and tell.
Make it easy, constable. Oh, he ain't done right. He ain't done right by little Nell.
Oh, yes, I have. Oh, no, you ain't.
Oh, yes, you have.
Oh, no, you ain't.
You sold his farm, you harmed his daughter, and you sold her money. It ought to cost you about $1.25. Which goes to show the cost of sin. Come back tomorrow, and we'll play these ones.